So this is another video what me know, I'm sure people are going to vex with me for, because it does not share the same sentiment as the masses. I know one thing I say the same thing as the mass say, you're viewed as it's betrayal. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. This is a video, me know say people are going upset with me for the video. I know say a lot of people are cussing me for the video. Now, there's a reason why, and I understand I'm viewed differently. MG Sports is viewed differently in the Reggae Boyz category, because I am branded as only wanting local players and branded as working for the JFF, branding as the JFF propagandist. That's what I'm branded as. And, you know, can't take a beating all day, every day. Now, there are a lot of YouTubers in this space. And there are those that say what the masses say to get up, to appease the mass. Now, the Reggae Boyz support base is split in a kind of three: online, diaspora, and local. And what you'll find out is that you have persons, especially content creators, where them try to please the diaspora, because the diaspora fan base big, it's huge. So once you please the diaspora, you know, say your views turn up. Your views turn up. If you please the local, your views depend it down low, because really and truly the local in numbers not high. So the diaspora have a lot to do with the online base as well. So the diaspora kind of split with the online base as well. So you have persons, and that's the reason I have to explain to you why me know say me know one of my favorites in the YouTube space. Me 100% sure about that. Me understand about it. And me I go show you something. Me I go show you some aspect of the video. And me I go say some things. Me I tell you it I go hurt some people. It I go really, really hurt some people. I'm just come straight. Me I come straight forward. And I just say go. Now, the diaspora, if you create videos to please the diaspora, everything is fine. If you create videos that diaspora is not, I don't like, you're the worst thing on YouTube. If you create videos where the locals like, you're the best thing. If you create videos the locals don't like, you're the worst thing on YouTube. You don't say nothing about football. And it continues like that. Well, you find a lot of the other YouTubers they try to please one section or the next. So persons might say me I please the local, but yet still me even drop a squad, and when you check it out, there's no local in that squad. No players from the J play in that squad. So you really have to wonder now. Is that case in which really I pick up one side or not, but yes, still me not no local players in that squad, quote unquote, in a sense. Now, I am very strong in anything I believe in. And if I believe that in the world we live in, if me five of we are build a house, and two persons stand up and watch you build a house and can help you, and they don't help you none at all, and we complete the house, the two persons stand up and watch, I can collect pay. I make two persons who build the house can't get no pay, because the two persons decide say then come and they want pay, despite they not put in effort. I don't believe. I not share the sentiments. None at all. I not sentiments. Not one bit. You get paid for the hard work what you do. Now, I'm gonna show you some comments made by some of the viewers. So listen. So look at this comment. So look at this comment. Surprisingly, you are a football fan speaking like this. This is a harsh reality when it comes to players' quality. Even a team qualifying from first division to their Premier League, there will always be encouragement to get Premier League quality. Who have tested and proven to assist the team. If at the end of the season the club is relegated once more, trust and believe that Premier League quality player will be leaving for another top flight team. That's the nature of the sport. I may not say nothing against that as yet. I'm showing something else again. You are running a championship team. You got promoted. Would you use the same squad for the EPL? Let me see if I can find next comment. Next comment. I'm not see next comment. Didn't I say me sure me send it, man? Okay, yeah. Okay, I hate that. Also, the next comment was because the person used Arsenal, because I'm an Arsenal supporter, I said, Arsenal qualified for the Champions League, don't you gonna upgrade on the squad? So I come to realize that a lot of the persons consistently speak about upgrading the squad because the level has stepped up. Now, here the problem I have where that is concerned. One, you cannot compare club football and international football. It's totally different. In every single context, it's totally different. Ask the players themselves, it's totally different. Now, here what the difference is. If two them me get promoted from league to the championship. Me get promoted from League One to the championship. Today, just say I'm today. Can you imagine? Me just get rid of all I man them what help the team qualify to the championship. And just get in so new man. And then boom, end up back relegated. Which we have seen already. And Premier League teams can testify to that. No, that's not the whole case. What I'm saying is what the difference in context with club football and international football is this, right? Club football, you get a week training before you play a game. You play together. So even if you upgrade the squad, you're gonna have time to prepare the next game day. And even when you upgrade the squad, these players don't automatically drop in at the squad. Let me give a perfect example. Liverpool won the league last season. Spent 400 million. Big name ballers coming in the squad. You'd expect the squad of a fact of them winning league last year. Bringing in so much quality players supposed to improve right away. That's not the case. And they have time to train. That's not the case. What I'm saying to you is that, right? Where international football is concerned, you don't get the time to train together like that. You meet today, 2 days training, match. Travel. 1 day training, match. You don't get time to train like that. So international football is solely based on continuity. How often these players play together. How well does these players know each other or each other play. That's what international football is based off. Familiarity, cohesion, chemistry, team morale. That's what international football is based off. Heart and desire. Now, the reason I'm getting monologue in the first part is this, right? I'm going to come here straight and directly and tell you, say, this is what I believe. Not many persons who are content creators go tell you that. Not many come out there and straightforward and say, this is what I believe. And you have some who will come out and say it and flip-flop. Now, if I have a problem with a player saying something, I'm going to say I have a problem with that, with what that player said. For example, Isaac Hayden did make a comment. And I said, fine, no problem with the comment he made. But I had a problem with it. I exclusively spoke about what he said. I had a problem with what he said. Not the player, but what he said. A lot of persons beat me for it. Because they must say, born in England, rated, this and that, nothing wrong if he prefer to play for England. Good. Me born in Jamaica, me support Jamaica, me grow in Jamaica, nothing wrong if me prefer speak about Jamaica in that manner. But me get being fit, him get allowance. I have no problem. But I can stand here, put me back as MG Sports, and take a beat from back and say, if a player is not willing to come and play now and help the team, Why should I want to see him again? If the team in the trenches are suffer and you are quality player and can help the team, why should I want to see you when the sufferation is over and good light are come? I don't want to see you. And it could be the fact that I'm coming from the military where we deal with meritocracy. Eye for an eye. We deal with your merit, man. Your work for it, you earn it, you get it. Fail. I would prefer to see the team work hard to make it to the World Cup and go and fail with those persons because they deserve the opportunity to go and fail. Let them fail. Somebody can't look at me and tell me, say, I don't deserve to own a business. Somebody else deserve it because them probably go on different school than me. Then go on high level school than me. Somebody don't deserve it. Let me fail. Give me the opportunity to fail. Give me the opportunity to fail. I've built the business from ground up. Don't tell me somebody else can take over a business because you can't manage your business at this level. Can you imagine? I'm building MG Sports TV for many years, doing all of the groundwork, covering football right across Jamaica at every single level. And when the business become corporate, somebody will tell me, say, and it over to them Monday because him know if you deal with corporate businesses. You're mad. After all I sweat and tears and put in your mad, let me go there and fail. Let me go there and fail. And come back again. I don't think a lot of persons understand what it means to have passion and desire to achieve something. And the moment you're close to achieve it, someone just take it away from you. And they don't deserve it. I don't think people understand that. I don't think so. And people are going to tell me, say, it's emotion. People are going to tell me, say, that's the nature of the game. If you believe that's the key problem. So, you can't tell me, say, after you put in your hard work to build your house, build your family, a man just come, our government just come and take what your house from you and say you owe 1 month payment. And you see how that feels. People, one, this video is about international football is not the same as club football. Two, I am not here to just please people and make people feel nice about. No, I'm here to give you the truth. And you might think you're foolish with me a chat, no problem at all. Me now go hide behind anything. I'm always here. And me can walk in the streets freely because me express the truth. And that's just how it is. People can dispute it, yes or no. I have no problem where that is concerned. None whatsoever. And people can cuss me from now till next year. I've been getting cussed from the start YouTube from 2021. When I start YouTube until now. I mean, I get the most cussing. I mean, now, and it now go stop. I have no problem where that is concerned. But I cannot see the likes of Bobby Reed, Shamar Nicholson, Leon Bailey. All of these players who are grind the past 3-4 years, 5 years at that, one World Cup cycle just finished. A World Cup cycle finish with the same set of man, them and then fail. And them reach a point where they can go at the World Cup and you tell me, say, you just take that away from them. No, I cannot subscribe to that. Anyways. Now, I don't feel like it, because I know most of them not like it, because this, me I say some things, so it's not favorable. It's not the shining light thing. No, me not say that. Big up on yourself, people. God bless you. Out.